everyone, this is Eric from Traders Helping Traders with this week's Tricks of the Trade. You'll often hear me refer to the confirmation of support or the confirmation of resistance. And all that really means is learning to recognize when the market is showing you support or when it is showing you resistance. Now you might ask, Eric, how in the world do I do that? Well, let's take a look at an example. Here we have December soybean meal. We have a market which is currently in an uptrend, and it has shown us resistance right up here. Now this is resistance not because it's a reactionary point, well, partly because it's a reactionary point, but mostly because we have a bullish bar offset by a bearish bar. In other words, the market is trading higher and then all of a sudden it trades lower for at least one bar. And that confirms resistance because obviously prices fail to go any higher. Let's move this forward a little bit and see what else we get. Okay, so the market has broken resistance there. Now we're going to wait for the next confirmation of resistance. Now you can see that the bars are starting to slow somewhat. We had a decent sized bar here, a very big bar on the breakout. Now it's starting to slow. So I would anticipate the formation of resistance. Oh, we haven't gotten it yet. And there we go. Now we have a confirmation of resistance. We know that resistance is up here. Let's see what happens with the prices after this. They're falling off. Notice how the market traded higher after falling off lower. Now we have a confirmation of support. Now we know the market is telling us where the resistance is and where the support is. Remember, resistance is nothing more than a lack of buying. Support is a lack of selling. Now we don't know what caused this lack of buying here. The buyers were overcome by the sellers, or there weren't enough buyers anymore, and prices came down. Here prices came down and we either ran out of sellers or buyers got into the market and overwhelmed the sellers, and now the market ticked a little bit higher. So we know where the market is confirming resistance and confirming support. And once we know that, we have a better idea of where we want to enter and perhaps exit the market, whatever the case may be. And that's this week's Tricks of the Trade.